Hey, this is Taylor at Truck World RVA. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2015 Ford F550. It's a V10 powered truck, just over 135,000 miles on it. 11-foot IMT Dominator service body, 3820 IMT, full hydraulic crane, 2-stage hydraulic extension out to a maximum of 21 feet with a maximum of 7,500 pounds lift capacity. It's run off a factory wireless remote. Obviously the entire bed was just, the exterior was just sandblasted and repainted, and it shows like new bedliner applied to the front of the bins, as well as the rear workbench bumper back here, and the outriggers as well, hydraulic outriggers. You have your step there on the hitch receiver, factory tie downs in the bed, hydraulic air compressor. This truck has one full set of drawers and one full set of bolt drawers as well in this driver front bin. So the goal of these videos is to show you everything you want to see about the truck as if you're here looking at it in person. So I'm going to go around and point out all the cosmetic imperfections on it, anything I notice. If there's anything you want more close-up pictures, videos, or information on, you can call or text us anytime at 804-716-8487. And that's the first half of the video. The second half of the video, we'll do a cold start and a crane and compressor demo, as well as a drive. So if that's what you're waiting on, feel free to skip ahead to that second portion. Again, you can see bed shows like new. Nice reflection in it. But right now I'm gonna go, we'll drop down here, look at the undercarriage. We'll look inside every compartment, inside the interior of the truck, and then we'll go ahead and drive it. All the bin floors are solid. It is an extended cab. Again, it's a 2-wheel drive V10 truck. Interior's in good shape. Little bit of stains here on the rear vinyl. Across that whole bench, looks like they stored something here that stained up the vinyl on the seat. Some staining in the headliner. Power locks, power windows, and cruise control. This truck has a brand new, complete drop-in engine from Ford. OEM engine with a 2-year unlimited mile warranty. Again, that's through Ford. We recondition only with OEM parts bought from the dealer, when available, of course. So we have all the paperwork on that, so that's brand new in there. The cab of the truck's really clean. Not a whole lot of imperfections to really point out here. The front bumper doesn't really have any dents in it. I mean, overall, it's in really good shape. I'm looking for little chips and dings and whatnot, and I'm really not seeing much of anything to point out. Again, it's an 11-foot IMT service body and a 3820 crane. First compartment here, you got shelving on this side and some shelf, and this is where they kept their bottles over here, bottle racks. That's all solid solid there. Looks like you have a drain hole there. Just kind of dirt and whatnot at the bottom of that bin. So this is the main area of rust on the bed. Again, all the bin floors are pretty well solid, but along this inner door seam, which is a common area in these IMTs that I see, there is some rust here. Just something to point out. You can't put your finger through anything, and it's really just along this seam. I don't even know how it happens, to be honest, but a lot of the IMTs that have a little bit of age on them, that's where I see the rust spots come. As well as a lot of times you'll see on this door edge right here as well, which I think one of the doors on the other side looks like that too. So here are your controllers for your outriggers. They're hydraulic outriggers. You have your Railcraft hose reel, factory wireless remote for the crane, and again we'll demo that crane in a little while here. Pass through rear bumper here. If I can get the there we go. It's actually nice and dry in there. Nice spot for pry bars and whatnot. Working vise. Some heavy duty shocks right there, wheel shocks. Again, it's really just along that back seam. A little bit right here as well. And then this is the compartment where we have our full set of drawers and bolt drawers as well. Twist lock American Eagle drawers. Looks like this one is, there we go. Close if I can. Hydraulic air compressor. And we are almost into the demo portion, so I will run that compressor in the crane, obviously. That's about it for the walk around. Again, it's a 2015 extended cab, two-wheel drive with a brand new V10 engine, 135,000 miles. I'm gonna get into the drive, but if you have any other questions or need to see anything else up close, it's 804-716-8487. .35, 412. AC blows nice and cold. Again, it does have power locks, power windows, and cruise control, automatic transmission. This thing will get down for a V10. trucks usually will not get out of their own way. This has got some power to it. Transmission shifts great. None of the tires are new, but they have plenty of tread life left on them. So they're wore just to the point where there's no real vibration or wandering. Sometimes on these 19.5s, when you put new tires on them, until they're broken in for the first, I don't know, couple thousand miles, you get a lot of wandering over the road. This truck drives great. Obviously, I've driven it more than just up and back in this cul-de-sac, but it rides really well. It's a proportional trigger remote, so you can control the speed. You can let it go wide open like that or feather it. The winch line's in really good shape. Rotation is very tight. As soon as you stop, it stops. No slop in the rotation bearing there. Again, it's a two-stage hydraulic extension out to about 21 feet, 6 inches, and 7,500 pound maximum lifting capacity. Start and stop from the remote. Hey, I just wanted to say thank you again for watching. Again, it's a 2015 extended cab, 7,500 pound crane, V10, 135,000 miles. This is all that we buy and sell. If you're looking for something similar, as you can see in the video, I have plenty of other options available. We have new trucks coming in on a weekly basis. If you're looking for something that we don't have listed on our website, it's highly likely that we have one coming in or we're working on one. So give us a shout, 804-716-8487. We do have commercial financing available and we can ship anywhere in the US. Thanks for watching.